Hey, what is up guys? I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the DJI PocketCam as a webcam for streaming or recording YouTube videos. So first, the equipment you're going to need is, of course, a tripod, the camera itself, a USB-C cable to USB-A or USB-C, just whatever can connect to the end of your PC and to the PocketCam. And then you're going to need one of these like extensions. You can either get this one or this one, which is or the DJI PocketCam. I'll link it in the description, which allow you to plug this into the PocketCam and then plug the USB-C into it so that you can use it as a webcam. So I've got it all set up on the tripod, and if you spin it around, you can see the USB-C on the back. I have one end of the USB-C plugged into my computer, and then it's running up right here, and I'm going to plug it into the DJI PocketCam. So now it's plugged in and it's saying that it's charging. And then when you flip it up, which should turn it on, it should auto detect and go straight into webcam mode. It'll count down, go into webcam mode. And right here it says webcam 1080p 30 FPS. You can slide up and you can adjust that to 60, or I don't think you can do any more than 1080p, but you can do 1080p, 24, 25, 30 FPS, 48, 50, or 60 FPS. I usually do 60 FPS because whenever I record my videos, I do 1080p 60. But now we'll go into OBS and I'll show you what settings you should have. Okay, now that we're in OBS, this isn't like the settings that you should have, but these are just the settings that I use. So first, you're going to want to add a source, add a video capture device, and then it should automatically find the DJI PocketCam. And currently this thing's facing the wrong way, but I can get it facing me. Come on, there we go. So now it's facing me, and then click OK. And now as far as the settings go, in video, my monitor is 2K, so I have that set as a base canvas resolution to 2560 by 1440. And then output I have set to 1920 by 1080, and the downscale filter I have that set to 36 samples, which is like the highest. And then I have it set to 60 FPS. You can do 60, 30, whatever. I'll still believe that 1080p 60 FPS is a standard, even though we're starting to get up to 4 and 8K. And then right here, I keep this on simple, and I stream on Twitch, so I don't think they allow any more than 6,000 or 6,000 kilobits per second. So that's what my bit rate is at, 6,000. And then my audio bit rate is at 320. And I have an NVIDIA GPU, so my video encoder is the NVENC H.264. And then I have the encoder preset set to P6, which is one below the best quality. And then as far as recording goes, I have this set, the recording quality to high quality medium file size. I use the MKV recording format because if like your power goes out in the middle of streaming or recording, it'll save it from where the computer shuts off at and won't corrupt your file. MP4 will corrupt your file. And then the encoder here is the same NVENC H.264 as the other one. These other things I don't really touch. Still comes out with good video quality and comes out with, you know, good streaming quality as well. So it's just pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but a lot of people didn't know how to do it. And I don't know if you necessarily have to have this attachment, but the way that you charge the Osmos is you plug it in from the bottom. So you need this attachment if you're going to put it on a tripod or do anything other than hold it by hand. So I'll link both of these attachments. One of them's a longer attachment in the description, and I'll link the Osmos itself and a good tripod for you guys. But I do hope this helped. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time.